like you want to do that, but then you wake up, it's another story going on. Because she makes you feel good sometimes, then she makes you feel good sometimes.
Yeah,
so
that money.
I don't know.
See, that's...
Why do you put... Well, I don't understand why the two women are putting up with it.
Yay! Excuse me? Dave was yelling at me. Where's wine? What are you drinking?
Nanya?
Nanya?
Drinking that.
Tecate.
I had to put the accent.
We got Cassie, looking as beautiful as ever.
Okay,
Taylor.
give it to Charlotte and also give it to Josh. Well, I guess
Hey, that's not Charlotte.
Fuck, I've been getting them confused all day.
Too much Tecate.
No, I said that I got them confused earlier when we were talking about tall people playing basketball, okay? And how tall people, let's be real here, a lot of them are tall for no reason.
They're what?
They're tall for no reason.
Are you tallophobic?
No, I'm tallphobic if you don't play sports. If you play sports, why the fuck are you so big?
You're wasting your potential.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right? So, like, if you're tall and you can't play sports, I'm gonna, not to be mean, I'm gonna profile you.
Okay.
So, I profiled her and Charlotte, Cassidy and Charlotte in the same way. Oh, Alex is here.
Oh, Alex is here. Hi, Alex.
Scared about me, so Noni is on. And because my house burned down or whatever. It's kind of what I thought. I'm like, you're not like the to get the visa with Noni, you know? But I was worried about that. Yeah, that's fine. I would get
Should we do some horse selection lights?
There's no option for you to not to do horse selection.
We're doing horse selection lights.
What the fuck? What the fuck is a horse electrolytes? Electrolytes for a horse.
Okay.
Okay, like Secretariat would have won with this shit.
What do you mean?
What are you looking at? fucking hater.
I wasn't saying no to you.
No to what? Your vlogs?
I'm saying no to me editing this.
No, Davo editing. Do you have a message for your future self?
You probably gotta take the garbage out right now. You gotta stop editing right now. You gotta take the garbage out. That's my message to myself. Editing this in like a week.
Stinky boy.
What you say? Now you wait. What's so funny? I'm gonna be like, guess who recorded this?
Does anyone want Siggy? Does anyone want Siggy? Cigarette?
I sometimes want Siggy, but not today. Not today, y'all. Know how to say no.
But like, they're all super extra. Fucking windows open.
Hi. I did get that shit on camera. Javier. Look, you guys can see yourselves.
Y'all doing drugs out here? Damn, that's so much fun. Wait,
That's super fun.
hold in here.
That's super fun.
What's up?
It's taking up all the space.
It's taking up.
How are we feeling out here so far?
Feeling amazing.
Good.
Hey, Javier, nice to meet you. Welcome to our place. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, can I get you a drink? Sure, yeah, I'm here with my girlfriend. That's my girlfriend. Yeah.
Bunny rabbit. Wait, is yours a bunny rabbit too? It's a ghost.
That's a money ghost.
I love it. That's my fuck ass fucking signature.
That's hard though. That's hard.
Yeah, I guess.
That whole day. I'm like, this shit
You're
is
gonna
so
love it. This
funny.
is so
You're
funny.
gonna love it. And then they're like,
The first 5 minutes,
and then the first 5 minutes, he's like, this is your favorite movie. One tear going down his eye.
He's like, bro, I gotta.
I was like, no.
I never fucked anybody over in my life. It never comes. All I have in this world is my balls and my word, and I don't break them